Don't y'all know this deer is in front of the car? He's on me. I got my
Just right on in, aren't they?
Here you go. Here you go. Let me get you. Oh my gosh.
Hang on,
Here's
we got ostriches over here.
Don't feed the ostriches. Remember! Look at them attacking us.
They do this on purpose. Block the truck. You see what's going on here?
Oh my God.
They like totally blocked the truck on purpose.
Baby deer.
Oh, hey, baby deer. Here.
That's yeah.
Oh, you big bully. Hey, you mangy. Number 5 is what?
Number 5's on it.
Oh my God.
And they're like blocking our car.
Ah, number 5.
Ah.
Number 5, go. Shoo.
Shoot.
Oh, that worked.
Baby pig.
No, it didn't. Okay.
Two baby.
How are you?
Two baby ones.
Look at those deers running over. Number 5 still hanging in. Still hanging.
I think he's an elk.
Number 5's like, speaking of hanging in, aw, number 5's a bully. Number 5? There's number 5 again.
It's like, I will follow you all around this place.
Oh, the zebras. Number 5?
It's a zebra and a llama.
Okay, don't feed the zebra. You throw the zebra food. He's on your side, hon.
He is
Or-
on my side.
He's...
Oh,
It's a llama and a zebra.
Oh.
I've always heard that zebras can get aggressive.
I want to sit in your lap.
Oh, crap.
Oh, crap.
Oh.
They can get nippy, yeah.
Okay. Hey, zebra.
Lynn, there's a zebra over here, too.
Nope.
We're going to throw some
Wait,
stuff out.
there's number 5. Number 5 is
No,
not
I
like...
ain't scared of no zebras.
Hey, zebra.
I want to sit in your lap.
Oh, wow.
See the zebras behind you,
Here,
too?
go get it. Okay.
How cool is
Hey, I
that?
got that zebra going.
See that one?
Hey,
That's
is your mama a llama?
Mama.
Remember
That's
your
a
mama's
llama.
a llama book? That's a llama.
Hey, there's zebra. The zebra's hanging in there.
Come on, man. Give me some food.
I have given him some. These little deers get bullied.
They're fallow deer.